Hello, champions. Do you want to find your passion? If you are looking for finding a solution or a method to find your passion, so then this is the right video for you. Today, we will be discussing about how you can take your passion and convert into a purposeful profession. Hi, this is Nitin, and I guide budding entrepreneurs and business owners, particularly in healthcare space, to start their own business. And today we are going to discuss a simple formula how you can find your passion, how you can balance your passion and profession. So let's jump into mind map and we'll see how this formula can be derived. So for that, we need to understand how you can balance the passion and profession. There is a golden method to balance all these two things. Because why this is necessary? Because when you have that purposeful profession, you are able to live that life of passion with full involvement, full excitement, and then only you will be able to successful in this profession. So let's get started, and we'll focus on how we can make a passion into profession. So the formula is simple, for which you need to look into four aspects. And the first aspect is finding your passion. So for that, you need to ask two questions to yourself. What do I love? What is the thing that I love to do? And then the second question is, what is that I am good at? What are your skills which in which you are better, if or you feel that you are doing better than anyone else, or maybe that you are much interested. That answering these two questions will give a guidance to your passion. We don't need to stop there, and we need to focus on profession. So when we ask about profession, you need to consider what is that you are good at and what is that you can get paid for. If those two things are common, then answer to these two questions become your profession. Wait, still it doesn't give you the final answer. You still need to explore two more aspects, and then you need to look at your vocation. So vocation is slightly different from profession. In usual language, we consider all these things as a same. The profession and vocational are similar terms, but there is some difference. When we talk about vocation, vocation means what is that world needs and what is that you can get paid for. If answer to this question will give you your vocation. Vocation is something which will take you to a higher purpose. It's just not for the living, but there is a component where you are looking at what is that world is looking for, what is that world demanding for, what is that people need, what is the problem that you can solve. That will become your profession, vocation. And once you have that vocation, you will be able to find your mission, where you will kind of bring all these aspects together, and you will ask yourself, what do I love and what is that world needs. So in essence, there are four questions that you need to ask yourself, and when you have answer to these all four questions, the common answer will become your purposeful profession. That will give you a way or guidance to your converting your passion to purposeful profession, and that can become your mission for your life. And when you live that mission for your life, it becomes very fulfilling. So those the four questions that you need to find answers today is that, what do I love, what is that I'm good at, what is that I can be paid for, and what is that world needs. So if you have answer to these four questions, I want you to write in the comment section what is that mission that you will be working from today. And if you have any difficulty, you can just ask me your question in the comment section. I will personally reply your questions, and I will guide you to find your passion. And with that passion, you can build your mission. And if you have already found your mission, or if you want to live that life of a mission, I help healthcare entrepreneurs and business owners to start their own business and scale them, and I help them to grow their healthcare business. If you have that healthcare idea, I will guide you. And if you want that support, you can click in the link in the description box, where you can become a part of the community where different healthcare entrepreneurs comes together and build their own business. So you can click the link in the description and get in touch with me. Thank you.